Hey guys, today I've got a quick review and testing of the T1 projector from DESS. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up look here. This projector is very small. It's basically a mini projector. You can see the DESS logo right there. Pretty cool features on it though. The ability to do the tilting is very nice. It makes it so you don't have to have the perfect height stand to get it on your screen where you want. You also have a focus adjuster right here. Let me make sure I get this back in focus right there. So you can adjust the focus manually, which I really like. And then over here, we've got a couple different options on the back here. The power cable is a USB-C, comes with a nice right angle USB-C cable. Then you have a USB-A port for media. You could play stuff off of a flash drive, but this is a smart projector, so we'll go into that shortly. And then you have a headphone jack to get a speaker, but believe it or not, this tiny projector already has a speaker built into it. And honestly, it sounds pretty good. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video quality here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights. So this is a smart projector. So even though it's so little, I was able to log into my Wi-Fi here, and now we are watching a YouTube video just like that. And so it's by no means pitch black in my house. I've got a lot of light coming in right now, and you can see what the quality of this projector looks like. It is very, very good. And you can hear the audio. It's pretty quiet. I could probably turn it up a little bit. Let's see if I'm able to do that with the remote. And yes, there you see on the right side. The volume actually can go much higher than I thought. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the volume down button on the remote now, so we can go ahead and turn that back down. So while I'm doing that, let's focus on the remote here. So the remote has some pretty good functionality to it. It's got a volume adjustment. It does have a focal up and down, but I think this is just a stock remote because I wasn't able to get that to do anything, but you do have the focus wheel on the front, your standard arrow keys, and then you can screen mirror, home, back, all the necessities here, and it takes 2 AAA batteries. Now, the very nice thing about this projector is that this remote is actually pretty snappy. You do have to aim it right at the machine here, but it is pretty snappy. You can see I'm going back and forth right now, and that's better than like my $1,000 TV remote, so that's pretty impressive. Now this is your home screen, and like you can see that I am indeed hooked up to the Wi-Fi here, and it immediately has Netflix, YouTube, Google Play, and you can hook up your Google account to this. So you've got all kinds of apps on here, Prime Video, and you can add new ones as well. So overall, I'm very, very impressed with this. This is an awesome portable projector to just take around with you if you're on the go. And as you can see here, guys, the picture is just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights back on so you can see kind of what the picture looks like with a bright overhead light. And it's still pretty dang good. So overall, a pretty good projector from DESS, the T1. Definitely check this thing out, guys.